Hello. This is a new video. This is a new camera, actually. I have the Elgato face cam, stream cam, whatever it's called. I really like the look of it, and I think it's like almost as good as my DSLR. And now I can use my DSLR for my nail stuff, which we're gonna use today. This is like the start of me doing nail YouTube videos because I want to do more of that. And I thought I would do a little unboxing today of the most recent little bit of goodies that I picked up from a website called Charme, which I found out about as I was searching for all kinds of nail supplies. Since I'm doing tons of different nail stuff lately, they don't match, I know. Because I was testing this set a different way last night and it didn't turn out how I wanted. And this is my old set with polygel that I also tested a different nail on and I need to get rid of. And one of them I already took off, but I'm gonna finish taking these off tonight. So apologize, they don't look great right now. But I've been working on tons of nails. I've been working on nerdy nail designs with like video game nail designs and selling them on my Etsy shop. I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested. Still working on my stock sets that I'm gonna have available, but I thought I would do this little video to kind of like show you guys what I'm getting because I have kind of been picking up random crap all over the place from so many different websites to see what's good and trying to save some money, but also get some good stuff. So very excited to see what I got here. Charme seems to have pretty affordable stuff, and they had a 50% off sale that's going on right now. Use the code last chance. I don't know how long it goes till, but 50% off is huge. So like they have a bunch of stuff on sale and it's like half off of the sale price already. So I thought I'd pick up a few goodies and let's see what we got. Yeah. All right, so it came in this little box with some cute tissue wrapping. All right, so it's very precious looking. I like this. Okay, I got a bunch of random crap. Thank you. Share your nail art with us on Instagram. Okay. 200 plus brilliant gel colors with more to come. And then I grabbed all kinds of stuff like this. I gotta figure out where my camera is. I have a whole new setup. Chameleon glitter, which I thought would be perfect for fall nails, which I'm gonna start working on now that Halloween's coming up and gonna be gone before we know it. Thought this would be good for I don't know if I can open it. Hold on. There's tape. I was struggling for no reason. Okay, well, good thing I took my thumb off because I can peel that off easily. Okay, now it should open. Oh, wow, that was so much easier. Okay, so I'm not sure about the lighting or everything, but hopefully you can see this. Ooh, I love that. We're gonna work with this camera and we're gonna focus. Look at the shine that happens with that. I don't even think the camera is doing it justice, but it's got like orange and yellowy and pink and kind of red. Really good color for a fall nail set. So I'm definitely gonna use that probably next week. I like it. Okay, and then I'll show you the exciting stuff before like the tools and the boring stuff. This is a bunch of little charms. I'm not gonna open them fully right now, but they're just little stars. These little like neon stars. Why is it so dark? I think I tweaked my exposure. Hold on. There we go, a little bit better. So here, you see, they're just little metallic stars. I thought, I don't know, I could use these on all kinds of stuff and it glows in neon light, so that's gonna be fun too. I like it. Also, these are little holders for your rhinestones and stuff when you're working with them. So these kind of like, you can just stack them next to each other. I don't think they attach or anything. I thought they would kind of attach together, but they don't. They're just triangles. So you don't need all of them, but they're really useful to have like one or two out so that if you're doing glitter, you can like dump it back when you're done. I definitely have the problem of glitter getting everywhere. I mean, I don't mind, but also I know it can be annoying that it's everywhere. So that's a very handy little tool. I don't remember, do I have the receipt in here? If I have the receipt in here, that would be cool, because then I can tell you guys how much it costs. No receipt. Okay. And then another little tool, which is a nail brush holder. I've struggled to keep my nail brushes from falling off everywhere and making a mess. So what I've been wanting was something like this. So then all you gotta do, balance it like that, and then it won't roll anywhere. Super simple. Easy little tool. I think it was like $2 or something. Definitely a very useful product. Right. Next little thing I got was these little seashells decals. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it in the light. It's got kind of like a translucent chrome look to it. Not chrome, what's it called? Iridescent look when you turn it in the light. So again, another one that's hard to pick up on camera, but really cute, really simple. Next, glitter. I love chunky glitter. So no complaints here. It looks great. There's 4 different color types. I can figure out how to open this, I would show you each one. No need wrapping. Get out of here. All right. So it looks like there's like a light purple, a dark purple, a pink, and like a mermaid kind of oil slick color. I guess I would explain that. So yeah, these are pretty satisfying, good chunky piece of glitter if you want to like put it in your poly gel or just on top. Like I think I put a few chunky glitters in this nail set here. You can kind of see them popping up where it's like big pieces. I like how that looks. So this is very similar to the other one that I got with my poly gel set. Next, I picked up these. These almost look like the Animal Crossing logo. So I want to do like an Animal Crossing design. This is like a bluish green kind of shimmer chrome look. We got some weed leaves, we got some other leaves, kind of like a good mix of everything. We're gonna work with that. Kind of like building my collection right now. I just started doing nail art semi-consistently last month. Like I've done my own gel nails for a few years, but I haven't actually done nail art in a while or ever. And now, oh, these are unicorns. I finally decided, let's do it while I was looking for a new job. And then I got a new job and I'm like, you know what? I'm still gonna do the Etsy stuff and do these types of videos. So these are unicorn stickers. I was like, I need them. They're just little stickers. You just throw them on your thing. They're stencils. Okay, so they're stencils and they're stickers. So you can like do different colors too. But they come in this silver. I love unicorns. I have too many unicorn things in my house, I think. Here. My mom even brought this from me back from Turkey. One of these pens. Like I haven't had one of these pens in years, but I was like, you know what? It is super cute and I want it. I didn't know I want it, but now I have it. So whatever. And then I also got some butterflies. I'm a fan of butterflies, you could say. So I thought it would be nice to get some really nice iridescent looking butterfly. They're just stickers. Like I've been doing a lot of drawing my own nail art, but I also want to be able to have some like more easy to work with stuff when I just want to create something, but I don't want to like spend the hours it can take to hand draw stuff. Okay, and this is the one that like I almost didn't buy, but it was on clearance and I just, oh my god. Mainly for the pretzels. I don't know if anyone here has watched Crazy Ex-Girlfriend, but I'm also a big fan of just soft pretzels. Like I love them. They're like my favorite thing with mustard. Love Auntie Annie's pretzels or whatever. Mall pretzels. In Crazy Ex-Girlfriend, she buys a pretzel shop and it's like a running theme in the show is pretzels. So I really want to do like a Crazy Ex-Girlfriend themed nail set for that, and I think that would be really cool. And then also just all the other random desserts and stuff are just precious. Like I think this would be good for like summertime. Those are hot dogs, I think? I don't know. But these are kind of like 3D and like kind of a little bit more textured. So I haven't worked with stuff like this yet, but I'm curious to try. And that's about all I got in that little haul. Let's count how many items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then these are 1, 10. So I got 10 items and I'm looking at the price right now and I paid $39 for all this. And this is gonna last me a while. Like this is stuff that you kind of just like start collecting and have and just make use of when you need it. So that's why I'm trying to like work on my collection. Hopefully a good little introduction into that. I don't know. I'm really enjoying doing it because like I'm a gamer, I work from home, I do social media work from home. So the job I do is like I'm always online. I'm streaming, making videos. Otherwise I'm playing video games. But this has like been a nice outlet for me. Like a different type of outlet, an outlet of something, doing something creative, but also combining like my nerdy side. Being able to do like random cute stuff or just things related to things that are going on in the gaming industry. So I want to do more of it, trying to fit in with my schedule. Hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more unboxings because I do have more stuff coming in the mail. I've been buying stuff every couple days, trying different places and being like, oh, this looks cool. What discount can I get? But yeah, Daily Charme is the platform. They have tons of stuff and right now they have a really good sale going on. I'm not sponsored or anything. I am just doing this out of fun and make pretty things. So hope you guys like this. Thank you guys so much for watching and I guess I'll see you in another video. Come hang out while I stream. Sometimes I'm going to be streaming my nail art. I'm hoping to do more actual just little videos. So if you like this video, let me know and definitely will do more in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet either. Okay.